let me show you all display settings available on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. So what you're gonna do is, of course, we want to open settings, scroll down to display. At first we have the light and dark mode available on this device. So if you want to use any of these, then of course we can easily do that. Besides that, we can create a schedule for the dark mode so that it can be automatically enabled and disabled at a given time. Besides that, we have the brightness setting, so you can adjust the screen brightness over here by moving on this slider. And we have the adaptive brightness, which is the automatic screen brightness, so you can make sure, if you want to use it, of course, that the screen will automatically adjust to the brightness of the environment. We have motion smoothness, where you can choose if the screen should have 60 Hz or up to 90 Hz refresh rate. And then we also have the eye comfort shield, also known as night mode or blue light filter. And what it does is it turns the screen yellow or orange to protect your eyes, especially at night when you're reading something, for example, on your tablet. Over here, we can also create a schedule and we can adjust the color temperature to make it more yellow or orange. There we go. Besides that, we have font size and style. You can adjust the size of the text. We can make the text thicker. We also have the font style as well, so you can choose a different font if you want to. There we go. Now, we also have the screen zoom option, which allows you to make everything bigger on your screen if you want to do that. As you can see, there is a little bit of a difference over here. And then we also have the aspect ratio, so we can adjust it for specific apps on this list. You can choose the app and then you can choose which aspect ratio you want to use. Screen timeout, so the time of inactivity after which the screen will automatically turn off. We have edge panels, so this bar over here, in my case, it is red and solid color. Of course, we can customize it by going to this option, and then we have the handle option here. And besides that, we should also be able to enable and disable the taskbar that is visible at the bottom of the screen, especially when we use the 3-button navigation. If you use the gesture navigation, then in that case you want to probably swipe towards the middle like this, and there we go. And if you switch to buttons, then the taskbar is pretty much always enabled, but of course we can turn it on and off quite easily. You can also tap on the option to find an additional option for choosing how many apps you want to see. Now, there is also the accidental touch protection, which can be enabled and disabled, and the screensaver. So you can choose if you want to use a screensaver. We can also tap on preview in order to see how it looks like. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.